Hello everyone, in this video we will compare Actual Budget and Firefly 3. Actual Budget and Firefly 3 are both powerful personal finance tools, but they cater to slightly different users. Firefly 3 is a powerful open-source finance manager designed for users who want full control over their financial data. It supports detailed expenses tracking, budgeting, recurring transactions, and advanced reporting tools. One of its key strengths is the ability to self-host, offering complete privacy and data ownership. The interface is functional and improves regularly, though it may feel complex for beginners. Firefly 3 allows for importing data from banks, setting custom budgets, and managing multiple accounts. Its community support and frequent updates making it a solid choice for tech-savvy users. Actual Budget is privacy-focused, open-source budgeting app that uses the envelope method to help users stay in control of their finances. It offers a fast, responsive desktop interface with customizable import rules and detailed financial reports like cash flow and net worth tracking. Unlike cloud-based apps, Actual stores data locally and allows secure sync via self-hosted options, making it ideal for privacy-conscious users. Actual Budget is cost-effective, with a free self-hosted version and a low-cost paid sync option appealing to users looking for a YNAB alternative. However, it's not the most beginner-friendly option and may require a learning curve for new users. Despite the new limitations, like weaker mobile UX and minimal investment tracking, it remains a solid choice for experienced budgeters. Overall, Actual Budget is better for simplicity and ease of use, while Firefly 3 is better for advanced features and full data control. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.